everyone, so today we are unboxing December's BarkBox. I'm super excited because this one is Christmas themed, if you can't already tell by the wrapping paper that they have included this month. If you guys are interested at all in BarkBox, I do have a referral code down in the description below if you're interested. For those of you that are new to the channel, this is Felix on the left and this is Bear on the right, and BarkBox is one of their favorite things during the month. The box consists of a couple toys and a couple treats. They're always well loved here. If you're interested in some of our previous BarkBox videos, I did just create a playlist of them, which will also be linked in the description, but you can also find it on my channel in the playlist section. There you can see some of the reactions to their other boxes, such as their Halloween themed and Thanksgiving themed box. So without further ado, let's just jump into this month's Christmas box. So I think I already showed you guys the wrapping paper, but it's super cute. They always do little special touches like that with the paper. And we'll just jump into what's actually in the box, since the boys are waiting suspiciously patiently. They're usually pretty intense. There they go. Hi guys. Okay, watch out. Alright, so I typically start with the toys first, so let's just start with this. Okay, hold on. Sit. You gotta wait a minute. You have to wait. You have to. Thank you. Okay, so this is, no, sit, stay. This is a bear squeak rug, which is super cute because one of our dogs is named Bear. There's the tag, and it crinkles. He's got little, here, get down. The squeakers are in his, will you wait? I'm trying to show this. Goodness. The squeakers, I don't know if you can see that, but it's his butt cheeks. How cute is that? Ooh, I know. Alright, hold on. Let me take the tag off. Let me take the tag off, you goober. Hold on a minute. Oh, Lord. Alright. Oh, all that just to give it to your brother, huh? Alright. Well, let's move on to the next one. I'm going to go ahead and take the tag off before he tries and steals it. Excuse me, sir. Okay, this is the Britta's boot. Oh, it's a little winter shoe. Excuse me. It's even got a hard sole on the bottom. Oh, and there's the cat. Told you he likes to get on in on this. Oh, and there's a squeaker in the toe, like it's like the steel-toed boots, except it's a squeaker up there. Oh, this is so cute. All right, who wants it? Oh. Okay. Guys, you have to actually physically take it. That might be too big for you, Bear. Alright, so we'll move on to what's in the rest of the box. That's garbage. Move those aside. So this I'm pretty curious about because you can't see through the box at all. Delicious prime rib dinner. Treat simple. Premium all natural treats. Wheat, soy, and corn free. And then it's got the ingredients here. And the guaranteed analysis. But I have no idea what it actually is. Besides the fact that it's beef with garlic and parsley. I don't know if it's a biscuit kind or a jerky kind or some kind of bone. And it clearly doesn't feel like being opened. Oh, they're little biscuits. Oh boy. All All right. Hold on, let me let me get it open, you silly butts. Quit it. Sit. Everybody sit down. Thank you. No. Sit. You're awfully cute for being such a stinker today. This one over here. Alright, hold on. I might have to cut this one open. Alright, everybody, let's relax and breathe. I'm going to try to cut this one. Puppies. Yeah, okay, sit. Nah, sit. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Okay. Ow, good lord. Knox, I don't think you're going to like this one. Alright. Nah, sit. Sit. Leave it. That. You silly butt. This is supposed to be for Felix. You'll like the jerky, I promise. Alright. There you go. Is that good? You ate it awfully quick. Alright, let's move on to this while he's playing because I'm not going to feed it to them right this second. We've gotten one slightly smaller than this in the past, and this is the butcher block bones. This can't be eaten on carpet because it is a huge mess, so I'm not going to feed it to them right now, but it is just, it's a bone, a hickory smoked bone. Alright, and for the last thing in the box, we've got Koa jerky strips, pork flavored treats for dogs, grain-free, made in the US. Apparently they've got dog food by this brand as well. That's what's in it. There's a fair bit of ingredients for some jerky. So here's what they look like. They're not like some of the jerky that I fed in the past. And I don't think I'm going to give Knox these because of the intense amount of ingredients that are in there. Plus there's some skim milk in there and stuff like that. So I'll have to give Knox something else. Okay, sit. Paw. Paw. No, paw. Quit licking my fingers. Paw. Good boy. Alright, there you go. You can only bite off pieces because you swallow them whole like a stinker. Alright, let's get Knox some treats that he can actually eat because he is super interested in this jerky. Hi, baby, but you can't eat this one. Hold on. I'll get you something you can actually have. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Here, right here. There you go. Some stuff you can actually eat. Sorry, there wasn't anything in there for you this time, bub. There usually is. Alright, so that's everything that was in the box. Let's check out the tag they sent us this time. Let's see. Season pass lift ticket, good for one, good dog. Alpine Adventures. There's that. There's some of the cute stuff that came in it. We got the boot, but there's also a hat, some hot cocoa, and some paw warmers. You'll have to check out some other people's videos to see them unboxing those. And then this theme was Bundle Up Pup. How cute is that? All right. Well, that's it for this month's box. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Like I said, if you want to see the previous boxes, those will be in the playlist linked down below. And if you want to get your own BarkBox, I have a referral code in the description which will give you a month's box free. These bark boxes have been a lot of fun for my dogs. They have enjoyed everything that's come in them in the past. So if you have dogs, might be worth a shot. If you have multiple dogs, they also have an extra toy club. We don't participate in it, but it's an option for you if you're interested. All right, with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Is that bear good? Bear, he's eating a bear. Oh no. Where's the boot? Are you gonna get the boot?